So now they give us a table, not a mapping exactly, but you can kind of see what's going on. In this table, you have a percent grade. So maybe you got like, a 95 on the quiz. And then that equates to a grade point average, which is a number here. Okay? So I'm not going to do a mapping for all of these because look at your domain. It goes from 0 to 100, right? Okay. And we can look at these ranges of percent grade. You get 0 to 56, 57 to 61, 62 to 66, 67 to 71, 72 to 77. Now, why am I looking at this? I'm looking to make sure that nothing's overlapping. 78 to 86, 87 to 91, 92 to 100. It only talks about whole number percentages here, okay? So that's what the table is being given to us. And then it's mapping to maybe, well, it depends on which way you're going, but it's the relation with the percent grade, okay? Now let's just look at one little piece of the puzzle here. So the first question says, is grade point average a function of the percent grade? So percent grade is the input, and grade point average is the output. So I said, well, let's look at one little box here. So input is the percent grade, and GPA, I'll just put GPA for the output. Okay, so for this little square I have, you have 57, 58, 59, 60, and 61. They're all mapping to 1, right? 1.0, I'll put 1.0. So your mapping looks like this. So is that a function? Yeah, that's a function. So GPA is a function of percent grade. Now, if you think about it, if you have a percent grade, say you got a 95 on the test, well, that can only go to one grade point average. You can't have like it going 2 different places. That wouldn't make sense. Okay, now what if we flipped it? So it says, is the percent grade, so the output here, a function of the GPA. So if the GPA is the input, so you could pick a different group. Say you pick this group. You have 3.5 for the GPA, but that would go to 87, 88, 89, 90, and 91. So it would go to all those numbers. Okay, those outputs. So it would be going like this. And then is that a function? No. So percent grade percent grade is not a function of GPA. Okay, so it matters which way you're mapping. Are you mapping percent grade to GPA, or are you mapping GPA to percent grade? Okay, so I think it helps to label the output and the input. And remember, it's a function of the input. That's probably the easiest way to remember that part. Okay, we'll keep working with them.